Good morning, everybody. Welcome to 214 Longview Drive in Williamston, South Carolina. This is the, well, we think the last new construction on Longview. These builders have already built 3 previous homes on this street. And this is called the Saluda plan. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the home while I'm out here. As you come through the front door, you're going to come into the living room and kitchen combination area. So this will just be an open concept right here. And as we go in towards the kitchen, you're going to have an island that is right here in the kitchen. And then you kind of have a breakfast area that's going to be centrally located about right here. Nice hanging chandelier for that. As we go over to this side of the home, you are going to see that you have the access from the garage. You're going to have a little closet here, and then right here will be your washroom or laundry room. And then we'll go into here and you'll have your master bedroom, which you see has a nice tray ceiling in it. You're going to have your bathroom here that's going to have double vanities. And one of the nice features that these builders use is the little transom window that's over the tub shower combination, which is really cool for some natural light while you're getting ready in the morning. And then we will come over here to your really good size walk-in closet. And then we'll come back across the kitchen and you'll see the pantry that's right here, or going to be right here. And you'll notice the doors that we have to go in this house, which are just kind of different and look really just a nice little amenity to the house. And then as we go over on the other side of the house, so you have a split bedroom plan. You're going to have another bathroom here. And then you'll have your second bedroom. And even for the size of the bedroom, you have a really good size closet in here. And then we're going to go back down the hall. And next to your bathroom is a little linen closet that's right here. And then you have your third bedroom. So as I stated in the beginning of the video, this is the Saluda plan. It's 1,335 square feet. This house will have laminate flooring, granite countertops, soft close cabinets, and soft close drawers. There's a lot of molding that they put in here in the bedrooms, primarily in the bedrooms, some in the kitchen area. But this is a great house. It's listed at $162. Architectural roof, and if you have anybody that's interested or if you yourself is interested, please give us a call, 864-617-5450. Thanks so much.